Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on Oppo Reno 12F. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search and type in Firefox and click search, and now click install. And here you can set your default browser, or you can click cancel. And now you can add Firefox widget, or you can click not now. Here you can sign in into your browser, or you can click not now. Now you can turn on notifications, or you can click not now. And as you can see, my Firefox browser is now set up and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.